Hello, this is Lyle Alexander. I'm shooting this video today to give you an example of what's possible with a company called Let's Multiply. And the website I'm going to show you will have a professional video on it that'll explain how the program works in detail. But everyone starts out in Let's Multiply in Wave 1. This marketing plan is incredible. It's a series of 7 waves that are unlimited in width, and it starts out at a low cost to a low purchase to get involved in the low income levels, and then each subsequent wave, again, each wave is unlimited in width on each level, but it adds another level uh, to your earning potential on each subsequent wave. So here's an example, and this is only an example. This is a perfect world example, but everybody in the world of networking can get 3 people, or they shouldn't even be bothering doing networking. My personal record of all time is 19 people in one day. So everybody can find 3 people. And again, this is only an example of what would happen. When you participate, you would enter wave 1 and you would pay 2 people $10 each. So your this is a low entry, low ticket item business where you can get involved for $20. But you can turn around and market your link all over the internet. And let's just say, for an example, that everybody got 3 people. Well, in wave 1, you'd have your 3 people finding 3 people for 9 people. It's a total of 12 people for $10, and that would be a total of $120, which is enough that you could turn around and enter wave 2, paying 3 people $25 for a total of $75. But if everybody got 3, you'd have your 3 getting 3 for 9, and those people finding 3 people for each would be 27, for a total of 39 people paying you $25 at $975. Then wave 3 it increases a level. Your purchase would be a total of $200, and of course you have the income right here that would fund this for you. So here you'd have 4 generations of everybody getting 3 people. That brings you 6,000. So wave 4 increases the level. The income and the purchase price goes up by 100. So you'd pay out 500, 5 people $100 each. But your potential is 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 363 people paying you $100, and $100 in the method of your choosing for 36,300. Wave 5 pays out on 6 levels of $250. So you can see these figures here. Wave 6 pays out on 7 generations of $500 each. And as you see there, you're getting into some serious money, 1.6 million. Wave 7, that pays out 8 generations of $1,000, 9,800,000. And so a total of 11.795 million for this potential. You know, I don't know about you, but I have projects that I could use this money for in the world in business. Let's just cut it down and say, hey, 2 people. I mean, we're getting really crazy here, but just 2 people. 2 people each would bring in well over $500,000. What if you and your spouse did this, and both of you built it? You could have your double dipping income, have $1 million in your household. What if everybody got 5? Now this is just real easy. 5 people. Come on. Look at these figures here. Would you like to have your own private jet? How about 6? I think 6 is where you become a billionaire. A billionaire? Wow. You could have a Falcon 8X. You can have a Gulfstream 5. You can have pretty much any jet you want to. You could go do whatever you wanted to around the world. Or if you're like me, you could invest it into more income producing properties. That's my goal. So let's just close this out today. I want to bring this back down to the 3. And again, 3 is just crazy low numbers. I know each one of us are capable. What if each one of us got one person a month? Wow. We're getting close to $500 billion on that. And anyway, I'm going to give you a calculator. When you join me, I'll give you this calculator. You'll have a calculator in your back office, but it only shows the ability of saying what everybody would get, how many people everyone would get. But I wrote this calculator for my own purposes because my records in networking are 19 people in one day. I have sponsored someone before that put in 389 people on the first day. So the potential of this is incredible, and I believe everybody could afford, around the world, most everybody can afford the $20 to get started, and then use the money that comes in to cash flow yourself all the way to the top. So let's take it serious. I'm looking for serious people. Again, this is unlimited in width. So I'm looking for serious people who are serious about generating income for your business project, whatever that is. And so looking forward to meeting you. And take a look at my website and get started today. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.